I know change is possible for you. I believe that with all of my heart. Every single day, if you believe in blue skies and the possibility of living into your biggest dreams, then that is the frequency and the energy that you attract to you. But if you felt stuck, unable to get out of the same place, and you know as we approach December that you're literally in the same place as you were last December and the December before and the December before that, at this time you just won't stand for it. You need to do something. And that's why I developed my new program, Catalyst for Change. That's exactly why I've dedicated my life for the last 20 years to serve as your transformation mentor, as your guide to making the changes that you most want in your life. I know it's possible, and I've had amazing experiences with clients for over 20 years, just like you, that felt like they couldn't get out from under and expand their life. But this is what it feels like, full expansion, like an open field. This is what I promise you in my new program. I will activate you from anywhere you are in the world.